All these assembly members are Ijaws, are they not? Are they Ijaws or not? Are they Ijaws or not? Now calculate. Anthony 1, Opopo 2, is not correct? Okrika 3, Ogubolo 4, Port Harcourt 5, is not correct? Agutoro 2, 7, Asotoro 2, Dagema, Abuja, Bonny, and I've counted, that's all. That's all, is not? And Bonny, I've counted. No, what I'm saying, these are the local government that assembly members are what it does. Is it not correct? Now let us count the assembly members who are family with the River State House of Assembly, who are the pillars of the Speaker of the River State Assembly. Abuja 1, is not correct? Dagaba, Asaritoro 3, 4, Agugutoro 5, 6, is not correct? Is not correct? Port Harcourt, Ogubolo, Anthony, Okrika. No, I've counted the game. 10, is not correct? Out of how many? Out of how many? Out of how many? 10 Ijaws. 10 Ijaws out of 12. Is not correct? Are saying that the governor of the state, you have breached, you have done infraction of the constitution. Is not correct? 12 of the Ijaws, 10 said no, we can't continue with this. I don't know whether you understand why I'm doing this. Do you understand? Are these not the brothers? Are they not the brothers? Are they the Ogonis? Are they the Ikweres? Are they the Orashis? Are they the Ijaws? Are they? So they are pure Ijaws, is it not? Now, these are people who are representing Ijaw in the assembly. And these are people who say, no, you're not doing well. We can't accept this. I'm sure it's a message to those of them in Abuja who don't understand. Do you understand me? Okay, let me also tell you. If anybody tells you, I've been...
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Nyesom Wike, former governor of Rivers State, and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, speaking at a grand reception organized for him by the Ijaw People's Congress, Rivers State. It was an opportunity for Nyesom Wike to give the impression that his fight with the Rivers State Governor Simi Fubara is not ethnic based. That it was not a case of Ikwere fighting with Ijaw. And he also used the opportunity, as you could see from the video, what he was talking about, to condition the Ijaws to prepare themselves for the plot to impeach the governor. And that when he is impeached, it should not be seen as an act against the Ijaw, You can see how he tried to achieve that by reminding them that out of the 12 lawmakers of Ijaw extraction, that 10 agreed that the governor breached the constitution. So 10 out of 12 fellow Ijaws, since Fubara himself is also Ijaw, agreed that he breached the constitution. But the question you ask yourself, which constitution did Fubara breach that made them to plot to impeach him? Which constitution did he breach when they tried to impeach him, when they defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress with the intention of impeaching the governor? Which constitution did he breach? Nobody has been able to tell Nigerians or even the Rivers people the constitution that he breached. The constitution that he breached that Nyesom Wike is talking about, that 10 lawmakers of Ijaw extraction did not agree to be on the side of the governor. That they said no, he breached the constitution. Which constitution did he breach? Which constitution? Nobody has been able to say that. But the truth remains that Fubara being an Ijaw and being made to be humiliated the way he has been humiliated by Nyesom Wike. Nobody, you don't need anybody to educate you if you are an Ijaw to know that this was an insult on the sensibility of every proud Ijaw person. Let's face the fact. Since 1999, people of Ikwere extraction had been ruling Rivers State. Peter Odele was governor for 8 years. Amechi was governor for 8 years. Nyesom Wike was governor for 8 years. These are all Ikweres. But Asare Dokubo told us that these are all Igbos that have governed that state non-stop for over 16 years, altogether 24 years. None of them have suffered the kind of humiliation that Nyesom Wike has subjected his governor. And the governor has also been very gentlemanly about the whole matter. But Nyesom Wike wants the world to think that some people are trying to make it an ethnic affair. But you cannot run away with the fact that it was an ethnic affair. In an ethnic sensitive nation like Nigeria, there is no way you can do all that and you think that it will not be an ethnic affair, that people will not view it from the prism of ethnicity. Because when you have the Ikweres in charge for 24 years, no attempt, no serious attempt of this nature was made to impeach them from office. And you could say that the governor himself, if you follow that reception for him to throughout, you will see that he was boasting that they have gone to court. What have they achieved? In other words, what he's saying is that these River State lawmakers that defected from PDP to APC, that they keep on winning in the court. And the danger in their keeping on winning in the courts, this Nigerian court, it's also important that we know that it is Nigerian court they are winning, because of the way court has become in Nigeria since the APC emerged on the scene. And Nyesom Wike is a friend of the APC. This court, they are hoping on. They hope that this court will eventually confirm the lawmakers that defected to APC, that they are no longer in APC, that they are still in PDP. The idea is that to give them the opportunity to plot the impeachment of the governor once the court has strengthened their position. And once they do that, Nyesom Wike, from what he played out, want to present the eventual plot to impeach the governor. The eventual plot to impeach the governor, that it has nothing to do with ethnicity. After all, 12 out of 10 Ijaws supported it. They agree that their governor breached the constitution. So nobody should read ethnicity to it. Those outside the state should not read ethnicity to it. Those in Abuja, you can see, he made mention of those in Abuja, they should not read ethnicity to it. But from my observation, the whole of Ijaw nation is reading ethnicity to it, despite the fact that some Ijaws in River State organized reception for Nyesom Wike. The whole of the Ijaw nation reads ethnicity in what is happening to Fubara. No matter how hard Nyesom Wike tried to convince otherwise. That's my take on what is going on in River State in respect of Fubara being Ijaw and the way he's being treated by Nyesom Wike. I don't know what you think about this. Whatever is your view on this, let us see what you have to say at the comment section, so that we can see whether you have a better viewpoint from what we are talking about, or from what I have presented on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.